This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to batch convert PNGs to JPEGs. So I like to use this site I love, or I heart IMG. You can see the URL here, but of course I'll put that in the video description, so you can just click the URL and you'll wind up here. So once you're on the main conversion page, hit this blue button right here. Now I have this folder already open with just a few demo images for the purposes of this video. You can see that I have three PNG files right here. Now I'm just going to select those just by shift, and I'm just going to select them all like that. And then you would just click on open here. Once your images have been open, you can see them there. These are being converted to JPEG, so we just have the warning here, and we can click at the bottom right for convert to JPEG. And just like that, they will be converted. That folder will automatically download to your computer. If it doesn't, you can click the blue button here. I'm on a Mac, so that has gone to my downloads folder. It will be a zip format, so you'll just open up the zip, and because there's multiple files, it will be in a zip, so open up the zip. You would then have a folder with the 3 or more images, or 2 images, or whatever that you've batch converted there. So I'll show you what the folder looks like now. I'll just pause the video. Okay, so you can see now that we have a separate folder here. I've just brought it over to the desktop to show you, and you can see that these previously PNG files are now, I should say, JPEG files, and they're still in good quality, as you can see here. So hopefully you found this video on how to batch convert from PNG to JPEG useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.